Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're looking at a product designed to breathe new life into your Oster Blender, the Oster Blender 6-cup glass jar with black lid. If you've been blending up your favorite smoothies, shakes, or salsas and find that your jar has seen better days, this could be exactly what you need to keep things running smoothly without replacing the entire unit. The Oster Blender 6-cup glass jar is a practical solution for anyone looking to replace an old jar or simply expand their blender's capabilities for larger batches. Included in the kit is a 6-cup glass jar, a black lid, and a removable filler cap. It's an easy, cost-effective way to refresh your blender, whether you're using it for everyday tasks or entertaining a group. The jar is made from Boroclass glass, a durable material known for being dishwasher-safe, scratch-resistant, and thermal shock tested, meaning it can withstand both hot and cold temperatures without cracking. One of the features that stands out is the removable filler cap. This small addition might seem insignificant at first, but it makes a huge difference when it comes to adding ingredients while blending or measuring out portions without having to remove the entire lid. It's a small, thoughtful feature that adds convenience, especially when you're working with larger quantities or need to add ingredients in stages. Now let's talk compatibility. This jar fits a wide range of Oster blenders, including models like the Heritage Blend, Classic Series, Reverse Crush, Perform Blend, and several others. That makes it an excellent choice if you're looking for a replacement or an additional jar for your current Oster blender, as long as you have a model that supports a 6-cup jar. So, if you're tired of dealing with a cracked or scratched jar, this one could be the perfect solution to keep your blender in top condition. When it comes to testing this out, I found the setup to be incredibly easy. The jar fits seamlessly with my Oster blender, and the lid locks into place without any fuss. The first time I used it, I tossed in a mix of frozen fruit, spinach, and some almond milk to make a smoothie. The blender ran smoothly, and the glass jar performed exactly as expected. No issues with leakage or struggling to blend. One thing to note is that while the glass jar is durable and thermal shock tested, it's still glass. So while it holds up well to normal use, you'll want to handle it with care, especially when washing it or removing it from the blender. But given that it's a glass jar, it does offer the benefit of being easier to clean than plastic alternatives. I noticed that it didn't retain odors, which is a common complaint with plastic jars. As for the pros, I would say the main highlights are the high-quality, thermal shock-tested glass, the ease of use with the removable filler cap, and the compatibility with a broad range of Oster models. The jar is also dishwasher-safe, which is a major win for anyone who doesn't want to spend extra time scrubbing. On the flip side, the main con is that it's still glass. While it's designed to resist scratches and thermal shock, glass jars are inherently more fragile than plastic ones, and some users may prefer a more shatter-resistant option for everyday use. Additionally, while it fits many Oster models, it won't work with every single Oster blender. So if you don't own one of the compatible models, you'll be out of luck. In terms of value for money, this replacement jar is quite reasonable. It's far less expensive than buying a whole new blender, which is a great way to save some cash if your old jar is the only thing that's worn out. Considering the durability of the glass and the fact that it comes with a lid and filler cap, it offers solid value. If you were to replace the entire blender, you'd be spending quite a bit more. And honestly, you'd be paying for features you might not need if your blender still functions perfectly fine. If we were to compare this to other blender jars in the market, the Oster Blender 6-cup glass jar certainly holds its own. There are other glass jars available for various brands, but Oster's offering stands out for its combination of quality, price, and compatibility. Many alternatives, even from reputable brands, can be pricier or less durable, especially when considering the overall construction and long-term performance. You might find plastic options for less, but they're not going to offer the same premium feel or cleaning ease as this glass jar does. When it comes to build quality, the Boroclass glass is definitely a highlight. It's engineered to be durable and resistant to temperature changes, which is important for any blender jar. As for longevity, There's no immediate feedback about it failing under normal usage, so I'd expect this jar to last a long time if treated with care. The fact that it's dishwasher safe adds to its convenience and should help keep it in good shape over time. If you've ever had to contact Oster's customer support, you'll know that they have a strong reputation for being responsive and helpful. However, since this is just a replacement jar, there's a smaller chance you'll need to interact with customer support unless something goes wrong with the product. But generally speaking, Oster's customer service is reliable and they have good track records for resolving issues quickly. At this point, you might be wondering if the Oster Blender 6-cup glass jar is worth it for you. To sum things up, if you're looking to replace an old or damaged jar, or just want an extra one for larger batches, this is an excellent option. The quality is there, and the price is reasonable considering the durability and ease of use. It's not perfect. It's still glass, after all, but if you handle it properly, it will serve you well. Plus, it's backed by Oster's strong reputation, which adds a layer of assurance. If you're interested in grabbing one for yourself, you'll find the link to get it in the comments box. If you already own one, feel free to leave your thoughts or questions below. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on Reviews Inside TV. Until then, stay blended and stay awesome.